Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's tutorial is going to be on the transformation DIY. I'm going to be transforming this shirt into a play suit. So I had in mind to make a complete play suit with sleeves, and but I realized the fabric wasn't going to be enough, so I decided to make a sleeveless play suit. So let's get into the video, guys. If you're watching me for the first time, go ahead and click on the subscribe button and also give this video a thumbs up. So firstly, I'll go ahead and place my tape on the shirt and then chalk out 15 inches. That is going to be for the upper part of the play suit, and the rest is going to be for the shorts. Now this is the fabric I'll be working with for the shorts. I want to just take out the button parts, because where the button was seated before, I don't need that part. After taking that out, I'll cut this fabric into 4 pieces because I want to place my pattern on it and cut. Guys, I would advise you guys to go watch a previous video I made on how to draft pattern for shorts. You don't need to be a tailor to have a pattern for yourself, your own pattern. I would advise you to go watch and then learn and make one, draft a pattern for yourself, so the next time you want to do a DIY, like you want to transform anything that include shorts, you just place your pattern and then cut. You can also watch the previous video on how to make skirt pattern, trouser pattern, and just keep this for the next time. Once I placed the pattern on the fabric, I realized the fabric wasn't still going to be enough. So to get more fabric, I'll go ahead now and bring in the parts we left for the top of our play suits that we're going to be using for the top of our play suits. I'll go ahead now and take off the sleeves and then take off some fabric from there so I can attach to this. Place the pattern again on the fabric to find out how much more fabric I need for the crotch parts, and then bring in the little fabric I just got. I'll pin this together, then trim out the front piece of this pattern, then take it to my machine to join. This is how the front piece is going to look like. I went ahead to do the same thing I did on the front piece on the back piece. I added more fabric to the crotch parts. To join your shirts, this is how you go about it. You bring one of the back piece and then one of the front piece. You make sure the right side are facing each other. That's the right side of the back piece and the right side of the front piece. They are facing each other. And then you take to your machine. On the crotch part, you join by 1/2 inch, and the other side you join by 1 inch. So now I'll be attaching the elastic band 18 inches long to my shirt first before I go ahead and attach the top part of the play suit. For the top part of the playsuit is very simple and short. All we have to do right now is to hem all sides. So I'll go ahead now and take this to my machine and hem all sides. I'll go ahead and switch both to the wrong side because now I want to attach the top part to the shorts. So I'll flip them to the wrong side, and then while I am attaching the top to the shorts, I will stretch the short out because you know we use elastic band on the waist part. So I will stretch it out while I pin my top to it. So for those watching me for the first time, go ahead right now and click on the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. What are you waiting for? Just subscribe, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell so you can get notification whenever a new video is being uploaded. And also I'll advise you guys to just go watch my videos on how to draft pattern so you can draft one for yourself. You don't have to be a tailor to have one. Just go watch and learn and draft a pattern for yourself and keep it for next time when you want to make something for yourself. You go ahead and place your pattern on your fabric and then cut it out. Very simple. Also friends, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. I want to see your likes. Let them roll in. And if you want to comment on the comment section below, do so. Feel free, comment on the comment section. I also want to see your comment. If you want to share this video, be my guest, share away, share to your friends, share to your family, share to strangers. Nobody's stopping you. Yeah, so there are no goodbyes here. I'll be seeing you on my next video. Stay safe.